Hi guys, I am here with my beautiful cat on my lap, and we are going to teach you some, drumroll please, word attack strategies to help with spelling or reading. So we know that our vowels are important, so please tell me what the vowels are. They are A, E, I, O, U. So I have an I, an A, O, U, sometimes Y, and here's my E. So one rule that we're going to learn or look at is that if you have one vowel in a word, it's usually a shorter word, it's going to make the short vowel sound. So not cake, but maybe cat. Let's look at the word here and fill it in with all the vowels. Now the word won't always make sense, but we're going to say it anyway. What would this word say with a short E? Beck. So remember, the short vowel sound has kind of a U over it because that's kind of the shape that your mouth makes when you say it. Beck. That's one way you can remember it. Now, what does it say if I put a U? Buck. Bok. Back. Bick. Let's try it with the other word down here. Pin. Pan. Pawn. Pun. Pen. So some of those are real words, like pen. And let's look at our last one. Him. What would this one say? Hem. Hum. Hom. Ham. So that is one word attack strategy, and I want you to see how many short one vowel words you can think of on your own right now.